Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Galaxy Watch 7 versus Galaxy Watch 6. What's new in 2025 and is it worth upgrading? Let's break it down. Quick note, all the information here comes from research and my personal opinion, so make sure to check out official sources before making any purchase. The biggest upgrade in the Galaxy Watch 7 is under the hood. It sports Samsung's new Exynos W1000 processor with 5 cores. That's a serious jump from the Watch 6's dual-core Exynos, I don't know, W930 or 930. Samsung claims a 3 times performance boost, which means apps load faster and overall responsiveness improves. This new chipset also powers Galaxy AI features like personalized help insights and contextualized auto replies. But no worry, the Watch 6 will also get these AI features through software updates, so both watches will eventually have similar smart functionalities. One key advantage for the Watch 7 is future proofing. The powerful processor can handle more demanding apps and updates down the line, which might make it last longer if you plan to keep your watch for several years. Aside from that, the design, display, and core features are pretty much the same on both models. The Watch 7 adds AGE or age tracking and may have better GPS accuracy, which are nice but not deal breakers for most users. According to experts, most people, the Galaxy Watch 6 remains a solid and attractive option, especially since it's priced lower and will still receive most software updates. If you watch the latest tech and plan to keep your watch for years, the Galaxy Watch 7's faster processor and future proofing make it more considering. But if you're looking for great value with solid features, the Galaxy Watch 6 still offers a lot and might be the smarter buy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick comparison, hit like and subscribe for more tech updates. Let me know in the comments which watch would you pick. Catch you in the next one.